What if I told you just 7 days could completely change your brain? Not a gimmick, not motivation. This is neuroscience, biohacking, rewiring your reality. Most people never change because they never change their wiring. But you are about to. You wake up each day scrolling, doubting, comparing. You want success, but feel stuck in the same loop. You try harder, get motivated, but fall back. Why? Because success isn't willpower. It's not hustle. It's patterns. And your brain? It's just running old scripts, written by fear, failure, and other people's limits. But in 7 days, you're going to delete the virus and install the code of confidence, abundance, and unstoppable momentum. Stanford neuroscientist Dr. Andrew Huberman says, neuroplasticity doesn't stop in childhood. Your brain is rewiring itself every day, if you give it the right signals. Translation? Your success isn't about luck. It's about giving your brain new input. And here's the protocol. 7 days, 5 minutes every morning. Simple, but life-altering. Millions have used it quietly. Entrepreneurs, Olympic athletes, world changers. Now it's your turn. Here's what to do every morning for the next 7 days. Wake up. Sit in silence for 2 minutes. Don't reach for your phone. Let your mind settle. Let awareness come back online. Visualize the you want to be. See the habits, the body, the bank account, the life. Feel it as if it's already real. Say these 3 affirmations out loud. I am becoming the version of me I admire. My actions today are shaping my future. Every cell in my body is aligned with success. Take one micro action. Doesn't matter how small, just move your body or your business toward that future you. Do this for 7 days. No breaks, no excuses. Your brain will begin to expect success. An expectation is the fuel of creation. I used to wake up in survival mode, scrolling, comparing, dreading the day. Then I tried this 7-day reset. Day 3, I felt focused. Day 5, I started believing in myself again. Day 7, I closed a deal I'd been chasing for months. Coincidence? Maybe. But it didn't feel like one. It felt like I unlocked something that had been there all along, buried beneath noise, fear, and old patterns. I didn't need a new life. I needed a new mindset. And this rewired it. According to a 2022 MIT study, daily visualization and affirmation combined with action creates measurable shifts in cognitive patterns associated with confidence, motivation, and achievement. This is science, not hype. You're literally sculpting your mind with thoughts, images, and repetition. Why do Olympic athletes train their minds just as much as their bodies? Because success starts inside. Naveen Jain, billionaire and founder of Moon Express, said, "Success is never about resources. It's about resourcefulness, and that starts with how you train your mind." Stop looking for more motivation. Start building mental momentum. You have 7 days. That's it. 2 minutes of stillness, 2 minutes of powerful visualization, 1 micro action, 3 truth-based affirmations. Do it every morning. Track how you feel. Track what shifts. Because something will change. Not out there, but in here. Your brain, your belief, your identity. And once that changes, so does everything else. Your dream life isn't waiting for the right time. It's waiting for the right version of you. And in 7 days, you'll be that version. The future is rewiring itself right now. Are you ready? Let's begin.